victims. Staying in Mon County, there is still no sign tonight of that python on the loose that kept search crews and social media pretty busy yesterday. WDTV's Mariah Conjito went to find out what you need to know and what you need to be on the lookout for as this search continues.
I thought maybe somebody was breaking into the house or there was somebody around the house that shouldn't be, and I think I might have preferred that other than a giant snake.
Brandon Brammer lives next door to where police believe a 15-foot python has escaped to. According to police, a man was driving with the snake in an enclosure in his car. While driving, it escaped.
When the snake got out of its enclosure, it went into the woods and climbed up this tree.
He's definitely right around in here.
Search efforts began early this morning near Lastravia Avenue in Sabraton.
This is a danger for small pets, children, correct?
Oh, absolutely, and us, if he's that big.
Sanders believes the snake had been eating chickens, and even if it's not in need of another meal, it can kill anything.
I was trying to explain to her how big that was. I was like, that's like 3 times the size of Mommy.
I think it's really scary.
Gorby said she rushed home from work when she heard about the snake. With a child and a dog on her watch, she's taking precaution.
I told her that she wasn't allowed to play outside.
Mecca 911 and Morgantown police sent up a drone in hopes that the snake would show up on the screen. In the meantime, several people were on foot searching everywhere they could.
Is my makeshift snake hook here. It's technically a weed eater, but we've been using it to knock down the weeds and kind of prod around in things.
Nearly a dozen people drove by asking if the snake was found and if there was any way that they could help.
That is really crazy. It's kind of scary. That's why I'm happy I'm in the car.
Police told Brammer the best thing to do was shut his doors and windows, but he says this wasn't enough.
I didn't stay here because I didn't want to wake up with a snake cuddling me.
We're on a snake out right now.
Yeah, we're on a snake out. It looks like a party. We need to bring some beers next time with us.
For 5 News, I'm Mariah Conjito, keeping you connected in Monongalia County.